we are seeing a interesting move outside of the wedge, outside of the quiz to higher highs. So stay tuned if you want to know what's going to happen with the price in the next few days. Hey guys, it's Jay here from StakeMentor, bringing you today's Bitcoin technical analysis. I hope you guys had a good weekend. It's been crazy snowing in London the last week. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you guys are keeping safe. So essentially, now what's been happening in the technical market? So last week, my thoughts were we had this wedge, and then we had price on that. If you see the red bar over here, on that particular day, price was literally squeezing against the 10,800 level, which we identified as previous point of resistance. And then we were saying essentially if we had a engulfing bar, which means the high and the low engulf the previous bar. If we close above the red line, if we close above the yellow line, we will see a push up beyond the red line, most likely to the 11,700 area. So right now what we've seen is pretty much we've expected price to bounce back to the 10,800 level, and then because of the engulfing bar, well, it's not because, but there's a high chances when these things happen in an area with a lot of squeeze, price is breaking out sort of slowly to the 11,700 area. And the reason why I've marked this as a next point of resistance is, frankly, if you just look on the left here, previously it hit exactly resistance over here, and then I'd be very curious to see how price is gonna react here. So what I assume, let's have a look quickly at the fib lines. Yeah, so you can see. Alright, cool. So right now, as you can also see, we're seeing some resistance around the 38.2 area, so which is perfect. So your price is resisting around here. But anyway, what I'm expecting here, well, once we get through this area, I want to see how price reacts. Price could either do a a pin bar, reverse slightly, and then go back higher. Price could push through and explode. If it goes through, and I'll be looking at sort of these areas over here, so the 12,800. Yeah, we're looking through the 12,800 areas. But in the immediate term, as of today, would I put a trade on? No. I'm still in this trade. I'll wait for price to hit this, take some profit off the table, and then let it run and move my stop loss to pretty much break even. But apart from that, yeah, just watch very closely what's going to happen next 24 hours. There's not much volume at the moment. As you can see, price is not making those crazy waves. It's not a it's not a bad sign. It's a good sign. It just means price may not make those crazy moves unless we see some exploding news coming out. So in that sense, I hope you guys enjoyed the video for today. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all my own opinions. So before you put any trades on, just make sure you do your own research. In this sense, I hope to see you guys tomorrow.